Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic indicator bulb. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool, then gather your tools like a Phillips head screwdriver and a new bulb. You'll access the bulb from behind the headlight assembly. Twist the old bulb out, insert the new one, and test it before reassembling everything. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. Before you begin, make sure your Honda Civic's engine is completely off and cool. Safety is key, so consider wearing protective gloves. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for some models, and most importantly, a new indicator bulb. Check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type, but it's commonly a 7440 or 7443. Having these items ready makes the job much smoother. Now, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly where the indicator bulb is housed. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb socket. Gently disconnect this. Next, grasp the bulb socket and rotate it about 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise. Once loose, carefully pull the entire socket straight out and then remove the old bulb from the socket. With the old bulb removed, gently push the new indicator bulb into the socket until it feels secure. Then, carefully reinsert the socket back into the headlight assembly opening. Rotate the socket clockwise until it locks firmly into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Before closing the hood, turn on your car and test both the left and right indicator lights to ensure they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.